it's really hard it's like for me, I feel like I will lose the weight very quickly. If I only need to lose 25 pounds, I literally give myself 3 weeks on this medication and I'm going to be down at least 10 to 15 pounds. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. That's three shots out of the the 8 that I'm taking. So that's why my doctor was telling me, he said you only need to do the 40 milligrams because that means and because I'm not doing a whole 100,000, because I'm not doing a whole 100 milliliters, 100 units. I'm sorry, I got distracted. I'm not doing a whole 100 units, which is technically the amount that I ordered. It's 100 units for 4 weeks, so that's 100 units per week, which makes the 4, right? So because I'm doing 50, it'll last me an additional 4 weeks, so that's 8 weeks, and I'm perfectly fine with that. But when I talked to my OB, the last time I spoke to my OB, he told me between 125 and 135 is the ideal weight for me as a woman that is 5'3". I'm 5'3", right? So since I'm only 5'3", I need to make sure that I stay between a certain amount of weight. And then on top of that, y'all, I was skinny fat. There was not a lot of muscle on me at all. I just now started gaining my muscle back and I look filled out. So now, like I said, I was doing body recomposition. So now I'm gonna weight lift every single day. I'm gonna lift some weights every single day, and I'm gonna drink my water, and then I'm going to consume at least 80 grams of protein a day. So what should happen is, I guess I should do a video of what I look like bikini wise. I'll put on a bikini and show you guys exactly what I look like. So then we can check in a week from now. We could do a weigh-in, and then we can do a body check to see basically, do we see any definition? Do we see any physical changes? And we'll do that every single week until we are done with the medication, or until at least I look the way I want to look. First things first is stomach. I want my stomach that pooch at the bottom to go away, because the top part is not bad. It's kind of flat actually. At least when I stand up, it's flat, but when I sit down, the pooch is the pooch, man. So when I get that done, I want that. I don't want no jiggle on my legs, period. No jiggle. So I'll be doing a lot of leg workouts. That doesn't necessarily focus on growing my thighs, but just lean. Having a lean muscular look. So I'm not going to be lifting weights. I'm going to be lifting my own body, if that makes sense. And then the sun. Let me put your sunglasses. Thank you. So so that's what I'm going to be doing. The only time I'm going to be lifting weights is for my upper body strength, so my back, my arms, and stuff like that. And then for core exercises, I'm going to be doing Pilates, a lot of Pilates. So that's why I said I'm going to be doing Pilates, and leg workouts are going to happen at the same time, whereas the weightlifting is going to be in the morning and in the evening. And I don't mind doing 3 workouts a day. I don't go anywhere, y'all. I don't go anywhere. There's really no excuse why I shouldn't be able to do it at all. So the thing is, you cut your calories, you up your protein, you cut your calorie of a lot of food. I believe this is how body recomposition goes. You cut your calories and up the weightlifting, and that's how you transform your body. But you still got to eat at least a base amount of calories, just so you can have the energy to do your workout. So that's where the protein comes in, and then I'm gonna eat protein-based foods if I can, because that's what I was saying in the last video. The challenge for me is going to be, can you eat? I had such a hard time eating. I didn't remember to eat. I had to set alarms to eat, because that's my only side effect, is not being able to eat and losing a shit ton of weight pretty quickly. So, but this time around, when I do it, I want to look very lean. I want to look extremely toned, but not ripped, okay? But just toned, really toned, no jiggle, no, and then we're gonna be growing the glutes as well too. You know, getting that waist snatched in and tight. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So, but anyways, I'm gonna pop back in a bit later, and we're gonna I'll probably talk to you guys a little bit out there in the woodlands while I'm setting up the stuff.